It's showtime, folks.
Lawyers, we're like health insurance. You hope you never need it, but man, oh man, not having it? No.
The journey Jimmy goes on in season 1 is his first baby steps down the road into becoming Saul Goodman, the character we meet on Breaking Bad.
He had a rough time at the end of season 1. He felt undermined and even betrayed by his brother.
I'm your brother? Supposed to look out for each other? Why were you working against me, Chuck?
I know what you were, what you are. People don't change. You're slipping Jimmy.
Part of the brilliance of that scene is that he has a point, and as much as the audience cringes to own that and admit it, they know it too.
You're better than this. You have a straightforward choice to make here.
I let her in on a little bit of the backstory. A lot of what I say to her is, don't trust him too far.
In season 2, he sort of rejected his effort to be a good guy.
So this is what a midlife crisis looks like?
Not midlife crisis. I just finally decided to be me.
How much further down the path does he get? We have to be a little coy about it.
We have to be a little coy. He does definitely go down the path quite a bit further.
And there's more comedy and more drama in season 2 as he goes further down that road toward rascality.
It's quite a journey. Their relationship has developed, as opposed to just thinking he's a complete idiot. Mike realizes there's substance to this guy.
We had $1,600,000 in cash. We could have split it 50-50. Why didn't we? What stopped us?
I remember you saying something about doing the right thing.
I don't even know what that means.